Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to continue talking about our grammar. This is the easy part, so please pay attention and try to get it. Okay? So our grammar today is about 3 phrases. I wish, if only, I'd rather. أتمنى, later, let's say, and I'd rather means أفضل. So these two have the same rule. I'd rather has like a completely different rule. We use I wish or if only with a past simple. What is the tense of the past simple? It's subject plus verb 2 plus object. Okay. Why do we use it with the past simple? To say that we really want a situation to be different. Now, we really want something to change. We don't like how it is now. We really want it to change. I wish it was Sunday. Today is Monday. I wish it was Sunday. I would have been still sleeping, for example. If only I had more money. If only I had more money. I can't buy myself a car. If only I had money, I would have bought myself a car. So we talk about it when we want a situation to be, when we really want a situation to be different. This is the phrase, I wish, subject. This is our verb to be to. This is our object. Good? If only goes the same thing. I is our subject. Had is our verb to, have, say had. More money is our object or our complement. Money is our object. More money, our complement. With the words plus base form. So we use I wish or if only with would plus base form. Would or wouldn't, of course, plus verb 1. 1. To say that we really want somebody's or something's behavior to be different. When we don't like the way someone is acting and we really want their behavior to be different. I wish you wouldn't shout. I really wish you wouldn't shout. Please lower your voice. I wish you wouldn't shout. I wish this machine would work. This machine is not working, but I wish this machine would work. Pay attention that here we want someone's behavior to be different. We wish that they would stop shouting. Here we want something's behavior, let's say, to be different. We want the machine to start working because it's not working. I wish this machine would work. It's really easy as long as you know when. You have to really remember when to use them and how to use them. I'd rather has another rule. We use I'd rather with a base form to express a preference. A preference is what do I like? What do you like better? What is your preference? Okay. I'd rather plus noun or verb. We're gonna see how is it now. Do you want a cup of tea? I'd rather have coffee. I'd rather noun or verb 1. Verb 1, coffee. Or I can say I'd rather coffee. Noun. See, this is how it works. Do you want a cup of tea? I'd rather have coffee. Do you want to go outside? I'd rather stay inside. Do you want to walk? I'd rather run. Preferences. What do you like more than the other? The other reason of using I'd rather with the past simple, I'd rather plus subject, verb to object. This is an extremely easy rule. Shame on you if you can't remember it. Here now. When someone, we use I'd rather with the past simple when we want somebody's or something's behavior to be different. So it goes It's kind of the same thing with I wish, but we're gonna see how we're gonna use it. I'd rather you didn't leave your bag here. Well, from the sentence, we can figure out that someone did leave their bag here, and I wish their behavior would be different. I wish they would change what they did. I'd rather you didn't leave your bag here. Why did we use didn't? Because the negative form of the past simple, we use did, and we use the verb one of the word after did. Okay? I'd rather you didn't leave your bag here. For example, I'd rather you left early. I'd rather I stayed at home. Okay? Subject, verb 2, object. Subject, did plus not plus verb 1 because it's negative, plus the bag here is our object, your bag here. I'd rather you didn't leave your bag here. Homework is question 3 and 4, page 56, workbook. I will be providing all the ideal answers later on this evening. Thank you so much for listening, and take care.